name is Chentayo, and today we're dissecting a chicken. So these two parts are the lungs. They are red right here, and this is the throat. And bring the whole thing. So this is the large intestines, and this is the small intestines. This is the gizzard, and it's sticky. Here,
So the gizzard.
this has accumulated. This is the gizzard, and it has accumulated stones. And this is the liver. And show them the ground part. And here, this dark green part is the biohazard. It's where the chicken stores its waste. And lift it up. Go to the other side. And this part is the kidneys. This part is the kidneys, and this part is the rib cage. This part is the eye, and this part is the brain, and this is the butt where the
chicken.
This is the part where the chicken poops out its waste. Thank you for listening. Hello everybody. Today we are going to conclude a science experiment on the internal organs. So we have dissected a chicken, and we are going to look at its internal organ, and we're going to show them to you. So first, this is the gizzard, which holds the trash of which the chicken eat, and this is the or the stomach of it, and this is the esophagus where the chicken eats. This is the liver, and this is the gland. So, and this is the heart. The heart pumps blood throughout the whole chicken body. And this is the this is the large intestine and the small intestine, as we can see. These are the lungs, which the chicken gets oxygen from. So this is the chicken leg. There's sharp claws on it, which it's stabilize the chicken on ground. Like these are chicken wings.
Okay, get it.
And this is the head of the chicken, and these are the beaks, and the eyes is right here. So the chicken eats its food, and it goes down the esophagus. And this is the rib cage, and the spinal cord. Thank you for listening. Hello everyone. Today we are doing an experiment of dissecting a chicken to look at the insides of the chicken, the internal organs and the internal and the external organs of the chicken. So this is the heart. It pumps blood throughout the body of the chicken. Blood circulation. And these are the livers. This is the spleen of the chicken. This is the esophagus. These two are the lungs. This is the head of the chicken. It has the tongue, the eyeballs, the throat. This is the dessert. It contains the trash and the chicken. Those are the small intestines. And this contains the poop of the chicken. The waste. The waste. This is the kidneys. It's small.
Very small.
And these are the
Rib cage.
rib cage that protects the internal organs.